अस्सलामुअलैकुम गाइस, आप देख रहे हैं मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल फैज़ान माइक्रोबायोलॉजिस्ट। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है माइक्रोबियल लिमिट टेस्ट एमएलटी ऑफ नॉन स्टीराइल फार्मास्यूटिकल इंग्रेडिएंट। इस वीडियो में मैं एक्सप्लेन करूंगा डेफिनेशन ऑफ माइक्रोबियल लिमिट टेस्ट, प्रिकॉशंस ऑफ माइक्रोबियल लिमिट टेस्ट, टेस्ट रिक्वायरमेंट्स, प्रोडक्ट टेस्ट विद एमएलटी, स्टैंडर्ड ऑपरेटिंग प्रोसीजर, acceptance criteria and references of microbial limit test. First of all, definition. The microbial limit test MLT for non-sterile pharmaceutical ingredient assess the microbial quality of product by measuring total aerobic microbial count TAMC, total yeast and mold count TYMC, and detecting harmful pathogen such as Escherichia coli, Salmonella, Staphylococcus aureus, and Pseudomonas aeruginosa. It ensures compliance with safety standards from International Organization for Standardization (ISO), Good Manufacturing Practice (GMP), and United States Pharmacopoeia (USP) guideline. Precautions. Let's discuss the precautions to follow during and before microbial limit test to ensure accurate result and prevent contamination. It includes personal hygiene, sterilized instrument, aseptic technique, proper sample handling, environmental monitoring. Personal hygiene means person performing microbial limit test should follow hygienic practice and also use personal protective equipments PPEs such as gloves, cap, mask, shoe cover, and lab coats during test. Sterilized instrument. Use only sterilized equipments, glasswares, and culture media to avoid contamination during test. Aseptic technique. Perform test in a laminar flow hood to minimize external contamination. Proper sample handling. Use clean sealed container to transport and handle sample carefully. Environmental monitoring. Regularly check lab air quality and surface to detect the potential contamination. Test requirement. These are the materials required for microbial limit test MLT in microbiology laboratory. Sterile petri dishes, sterile test tubes and container, laminar airflow hood, micropipette, culture media such as soybean casein digest agar, tryptic soya agar, saccharose dextrose agar, McConkey agar, McConkey broth, citamide agar, xylose lysine deoxycholate agar, salmonella enrichment media, mannitol salt agar, and diluent such as peptone water and soybean casein digest agar for sample preparations. Incubators and autoclaves, microbial strains such as E. coli, Staphylococcus aureus for positive control. Product tested with MLT. Those products tested with MLT include oral dosage form, topical products, inhalation products, and raw material. Oral dosage forms include tablets, capsules, syrups to prevent gastrointestinal infections. Topical products include cream, ointments, lotions to avoid skin infection. Inhalation products include nasal spray inhaler as contamination can harm respiratory health. Raw material include active and inactive ingredients which are being used for pharmaceutical preparations are tested before production to ensure initial microbial contamination. Method of microbial limit test. Microbial limit test can be performed by three methods. These methods include membrane filtration method, plate count method. Plate count method further have two types: pour plate method, spread plate method, and third method is most probable number method according to USP guidelines. Standard operating procedure for microbial limit test include sample preparation, total aerobic microbial count TAMC, total yeast and mold count TYMC, and test for specified organism. First of all, sample preparation. Aseptically weigh the sample as specified and dissolve in a suitable sterile diluent. Use 110 or 100 dilution based on product types and specification. Here we perform microbial limit test by spread plate method. First, total aerobic microbial count TAMC. Pour 15 to 20 ml tryptic soya agar in sterile patty plate and allow it to solidify. Aseptically pipette the sample solution onto tryptic soya agar plate. Spread the sample and incubate at 30 to 35 degrees centigrade for 3 to 5 days. After incubation, count the colonies and record as CFU, colony forming unit, per ml or gram of sample. Total yeast and mold count TYMC. Pour 15 to 20 ml saccharose dextrose agar in sterile patty plate and allow it to solidify. Pipette the sample solution onto saccharose dextrose agar plate. Spread the sample and incubate at 20 to 25 degrees centigrade for 5 to 7 days. Count the colony of yeast and mold and record as colony forming unit CFU per ml or gram. Third one is test for specified pathogen. Transfer a portion of sample to selective media such as McConkie agar for E. coli, mannitol salt agar for Staphylococcus aureus, xylose lysine deoxycholate agar for Salmonella, citramide agar for Pseudomonas aeruginosa, and incubate under conditions specified for each pathogen. Confirm presence or absence of these specified organisms with biochemical test if required. एक्सेप्टेंस क्राइटेरिया. सैम्पल्स के रूट ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के मुताबिक टोटल एरोबिक माइक्रोबियल काउंट, टोटल यीस्ट मोल्ड काउंट एंड स्पेसिफाइड ऑर्गेनिज्म की लिमिट दी गई है. ये जो लिमिट्स हैं ये मैंने यूएसपी के चैप्टर 11 से ली हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, नॉन इक्वस प्रिपरेशन फॉर ओरल यूज़ सच एज टैबलेट्स कैप्सूल्स. इसकी जो लिमिट्स हैं ये आपके सामने हैं. इक्वस प्रिपरेशन फॉर ओरल यूज़ सच एज लिक्विड सिरप्स, रेक्टल यूज़ एंड सो ऑन. ये जो लिमिट्स का ये टेबल्स है ये आप यूएसपी के चैप्टर 11 से आप ये देख सकते हैं. रेफरेंसेस. इन द फार्मास्यूटिकल इंडस्ट्री द फॉलोइंग रेफरेंस बुक एंड चैप्टर्स आर वाइडली यूज्ड फॉर माइक्रोबियल लिमिट टेस्ट. फर्स्ट वन इज़ यूनाइटेड स्टेट फार्माकोपिया USP. Chapter 61 Microbial examination of non-sterile product, microbial enumeration test. Chapter 62 Microbial examination of non-sterile product, test for specified organism. Chapter 11 Microbial examination of non-sterile product, acceptance criteria for pharmaceutical preparation. Second one is European Pharmacopoeia. Chapters 2.6.12 Microbial examination of non-sterile product, total aerobic microbial count. Chapter 2.6.13 Microbial examination of non-sterile product, test for specified organism. Third one is British Pharmacopoeia BP. Appendix 16B Microbial quality of non-sterile pharmaceutical product. Fourth one is Japanese Pharmacopoeia JP. General test 4.0.5 microbial limit test. These chapters provide detailed protocol and standards for conducting microbial limit test. Ensure consistency and compliance across global pharmaceutical practice. माइक्रोबियल लिमिट टेस्ट से रिलेटेड आपका कोई क्वेश्चन या सजेशन हो तो कमेंट सेशन में कमेंट करके हमें ज़रूर आगाह कीजिएगा. वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना नहीं भूलिएगा. शुक्रिया.